Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you the Bare Minerals BAREPRO Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. It has SPF 20 in it. The shade that I'm gonna be wearing is Warm Natural 12, but they just came out with a few new shades, so they now have 35 shades for you to choose from. And what I love about this foundation is that it's actually such full coverage. It's a really natural looking finish. It is matte, but it's still very breathable, so you don't feel like you have a ton of foundation on your face. It has papaya enzymes in it to help your skin texture over time. This has kept my skin hydrated and looking really good. It also has bamboo stem extract to give like a soft blurred effect. I really like having a pore minimizing effect in my foundation. It just gives that really nice smooth finish. So this definitely has a long-lasting coverage. It is seriously such a good foundation. I highly recommend trying it out, especially if you're in the market for a new, clean, vegan foundation. I'll see you guys in another video.